Windy with highs in the upper 60s. Southeast wind.
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina has issued a tornado warning for eastern Brunswick County, southern New Hanover County, until 12:45 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 12 miles south of Oak Island, or about 19 miles southeast of Charlotte, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include Long Beach, Southport, Boiling Spring Lakes, Carolina Beach. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report hail, downed trees, or damaging winds to the National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. Toll free at 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Low water